Hello students, welcome to my channel School Online 24/7. I am Sandhya Tripathi and today I am going to describe your first poem from Honeysuckle book. And this poem is composed by Lorien M. Halley. And in this poem, the poet narrates that differences between the house and a home. Everyone know about what is the meaning of house and a home, but they have confusion about these words. They think the both words are similar, same, but both words a house and a home have different meanings. What is the meaning of a house and what is the meaning of a home? Let us know. First of all, I am going to describe the poem and I am going to recite it and then I will give you the word meaning of difficult words of this poem. Okay, now let us start. A house, a home. What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that is hard. Some window glass and perhaps a yard. Its eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. What is a home? It is a loving family and doing for others, its brother and sisters and fathers and mothers. Its unselfish acts, kindly sharing, showing your loved one you are always caring. Okay, now I'm going to describe words meaning of the difficult words. Bricks. Brick means a type of block used to make a wall. Stone, a small piece of rock. Wood, a hard substance that trees are made of. Yard, a piece of land next to someone's house. Eaves, the edge of a roof. Chimneys, a pipe that provides a path which smoke from a fire is carried away. Tile, a rectangular piece of a stone which we use to decorate our house. Stucco. Stucco means a type of plaster used for covering walls and decorating ceilings. Roof, cover of top of the house. Unselfish, generous towards other. Kindly, a sympathetic nature. Loved one, a person who is a member of one's family or close relative. Caring, to look after. Okay, now I am going to describe the poem. First stanza of the poem. A house, a home. What is the difference of a house and home? So, first question is arise the poet's mind. What is a house? A house is made of bricks and stone and woods and a hard substance. And the house has some windows which is made of glass, and it has also a yard. House has eaves and chimneys and tiles floor, and the walls of the house is covered by stucco, and roof is covered to the house, and the house has a lot of doors. What is a home? Second question is arise in the mind of your poet, that what is a home. It is loving and family, means the home has love, lots of love, care, and family members, and they do things for their family members without any selfishness. It has brothers, sisters, mother, and father also. They all sharing each things with each other and showing their love with their family members, and they always cared about their loved ones. Okay, now I'm going to describe once again of the paragraph. First paragraph. In this paragraph, the poet describes that a house is made up with full of non-living things such as a stone, sand, brick, cement, glass, and wood. It is only a building that people can live, but it doesn't carry no feelings, emotions, and understanding with others. It is just a construction of building without family. Second stanza. In this stanza, the poet described that a home is made with living beings, likely father, mothers, sisters, and brothers, called a beautiful family. Home is filling with full of happiness, share their feeling each other, and lots of love and understanding. And in this way, Lorian M. Halley summarized the poem and described that what difference is the house and the home have. I hope you all understand the poem, and if you all understand the poem, please like the video, and if you all any problem, so please comment in the comment box and inform me about your problems. I will definitely solve it, and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification for the notification. Thanks for watching this video.